it's very happy that we can join this My Karachi. This is every year, every time My Karachi is held, Indonesia Consulate participate in this program because we believe this is the big event. They can attract Pakistan people. As we know that Indonesia and Pakistan are very close each other, and we are very privileged. We have Indomie. We open the factory here and we sell the product to Pakistan, which is affordable and very good. And in the near future, if the Indomie already established in Pakistan, we can sell to other country in Central Asia and many more in neighboring country of Pakistan. And we also have some Indonesian product that already in Pakistan market in Karachi. You see that we have candy, we have coffee, etc. and so on. You may see in this background.